Crash course on Czech Republic.
The Czech Republic, located in Central Europe, is a country of breathtaking beauty, with a unique geographical location that offers diverse landscapes and exciting outdoor adventures. Nestled between Germany, Austria, Slovakia, and Poland, it boasts a rich history, charming towns, and stunning natural scenery. The country's geographical uniqueness lies in its varied terrains, from rolling hills and lush forests to serene rivers and rocky mountains. The Bohemian and Moravian landscapes enchant visitors with their picturesque beauty and offer a plethora of outdoor activities for nature enthusiasts. Among the many natural wonders, the Czech Republic is home to several national parks. One such gem is the Bohemian Switzerland National Park, renowned for its sandstone formations, deep gorges, and lush forests. Another prominent park is the Krkonoše National Park, known for its majestic mountain ranges and pristine wilderness. Interesting story, legend of the Krkonoše Castle. One fascinating tale is that of the Krkonoše Castle, built by Charles IV in the 14th century. According to legend, the king's crown jewels were hidden within the castle's walls to protect them from invaders and thieves. The mystery surrounding the hidden treasure continues to intrigue visitors to this day. Top 12 attractions in Czech Republic. 1. Prague Castle, a historic marvel overlooking Prague, the largest ancient castle in the world. 2. Charles Bridge, an iconic symbol of Prague, adorned with stunning statues and offering picturesque views. 3. Český Krumlov, a fairy tale town with a well-preserved medieval castle and charming streets. 4. Kutná Hora, famous for the Sedlec ossuary, adorned with human bone decorations. 5. Karlovy Vary, a spa town known for its healing thermal springs and beautiful architecture. 6. Brno, the second largest city with a vibrant cultural scene, and an impressive medieval castle. 7. A dispatch to Plitzer Rocks, unique rock formations ideal for hiking and exploring. 8. Moravian Karst, a karst landscape with limestone caves, including the Makoka Abyss. 9. Olomouc, a city with a rich history, boasting impressive squares and churches. 10. Telch, a UNESCO-listed town with beautifully preserved Renaissance architecture. 11. Pilsner Urquell Brewery, a must-visit for beer enthusiasts, offering tours and tastings. 12. Trebich, known for its Jewish quarter and the impressive Basilica of St. Procopius. Summary. The Czech Republic enthralls travelers with its captivating landscapes, rich history, and fascinating legends. From the majestic Prague Castle to the enchanting Krkonoše Castle, each attraction offers a glimpse into the country's storied past. Whether exploring charming towns, hiking through national parks, or indulging in its famous beer culture, the Czech Republic promises an unforgettable journey. Poem. In Czechia's heart, a land so bright, where nature's beauty shines in light. From castles grand to charming streets, each sight a tale, each story greets. A tale of jewels hidden deep in Krkonoše's walls, secrets to keep. Through centuries, the legends flow of kings and crowns, a timeless show. From Prague's grace to Český Krumlov's charm. Through ancient towns, a traveler's arm. In every corner, history thrives. A journey through the past, it drives. Bohemian lands and Moravian skies. National parks that mesmerize. In a dispatch rocks and karsts embrace. Nature's wonders take their place. Kutná Hora with bones adorned. Olomouc's squares, a beauty formed. In Pilsner's brew and spas embrace. A journey filled with joy and grace. So pack your bags and book your stay. In Czechia's heart, a dreamy display. A land of wonders, stories untold. In Czech Republic's embrace, behold. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of Europe, a land so fair. Czech Republic's beauty fills the air. With landscapes grand and legends old. A symphony of tales yet to be told. Chorus. Oh, Czechia, land of dreams. Your rivers flow with ancient streams. From castles high to forests green. A magical place, a wondrous scene. Verse 2. Through cobbled streets and historic squares.
The echoes of the past, it shares. From Prague's spires to Krkonoše's fame. Every step, a chance to reclaim. Chorus.
Oh, Czechia, land of dreams.
Your rivers flow with ancient streams. From castles high to forests green. A magical place, a wondrous scene. Ridge. In Bohemian Switzerland's embrace. We find our solace, a tranquil space. And Moravian cast, a hidden grace. Nature's wonders, we embrace. Verse 3.
In Český Krumlov, a fairy tale.
With beauty that will never pale.
Through winding lanes and castle walls.
Adventure calls, as dusk befalls. Chorus.
Oh, Czechia, land of dreams.
Your rivers flow with ancient streams. From castles high to forests green. A magical place, a wondrous scene. Outro. So let's explore this land so grand. With culture, history, hand in hand. Czech Republic, a treasure to find. In every corner, a story to bind. Chorus.
Oh, Czechia, land of dreams.
Your rivers flow with ancient streams. From castles high to forests green. A magical place, a wondrous scene. Ending note.
Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. Aid equals 7989335.
It is a great choice to plan your next trip.
You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.
Ending note.
Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. Aid equals 7989335.
It is a great choice to plan your next trip.
You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.